Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Sam and today we're going to get rid of all of our fall decorations and put up Christmas lights, Christmas ornaments, Christmas tree, everything Christmas winter related. This is actually our first year that we're going to decorate our house, as last year we just moved in and we were actually just trying to get furniture, trying to get like a bed and sofa and stuff. So we weren't even worried about decorations. So this is our first year that we're actually decorating. So I'm super excited. My fiance is gonna get on the roof, kind of put all those beautiful lights. We're gonna set up the tree, so stay tuned. At the end, you'll see all of our decorations. Alright guys, so I feel like I've been cleaning literally like all day, but obviously we've only been cleaning for a little bit, maybe like, I don't know, 2-3 hours, but regardless, now we're sitting down and my fiance goes, oh, so what do you want to do tonight? So I don't know, I'm thinking in my head like, I don't know, maybe let's watch a movie, let's cuddle up, and he's like, oh, I have a great idea. Thinking that he's going to suggest one of those things, he goes, why don't we decorate the outside of the house? I go, excuse me? Do you see it outside? It is pitch black. He's like, okay, and? So, you know what? Now that's what we're going to do. We're gonna go outside and start decorating the outside of the house. Now, I was gonna say no, but something that is worse than whatever's going on right now is a Grinch. And I don't want my fiance to be a Grinch. He is so excited for Christmas and the decorations and all of those wonderful things that come along with Christmas. So I'm gonna let him be excited and we're gonna go outside now, and we're probably gonna get like honestly 2 strands on the house, like maybe 2 little strands of lights, but that's okay. We're gonna do some of it tomorrow as well, but let him just get those like jitters and excitement out, just putting those like couple strands up. I'll definitely show you guys how that goes. But oh, with that, just a couple things that I kind of wanted to throw in and mention that I just thought about right now is tomorrow you will see a couple other like extra people in my video. And if you're kind of questioning like, oh, who are those people? Those are our tenants. So we actually live in a 2-family house. We own the entire house and we rent out half of it. Now I did explain this in a couple other previous videos, but it just kind of helps with finances and it allows us to actually live for basically $0. So if you guys are curious and want me to explain a little bit more about that, definitely comment down below and I'll be sure to include that in another video. But anyways, also one other thing that I did want to mention is, so you see that house behind me? I don't know if you could see it like outside, like right there where my elbow is, but that is a house that is very special to me. So if you can guess who lives there, comment down below. Pause this video right now. I want to see what you guys have to say. 1, 2, 3, take your guess. It's my parents. So my parents actually live right across the street. Now also right next to my parents, which you can't really see because obviously their house isn't lit up right now, but that's my sister. So we all live, my sister, my mom, my dad, and me, all live on the same block. Now, I think it's absolutely amazing, and I just thought about telling you guys that now because obviously I could see the house there in the image. But yeah, I wanted to tell you guys about that. I do think it's super cool because later down the line, like when little Sam and Camille come along, they could literally just run over across the street to grandma and grandpa's, play with them, hang out. So I definitely think that that's like something really cool that is going to definitely be helpful in the future. But anyways, so that was a tangent, but I'm gonna go because my fiance's now actually climbing through the window. So I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. Okay, so as you guys saw yesterday, my fiance, he was super eager to just get on the roof and start getting some lights up. So now it's day 2. Now it's at least a little bit, it's still like an overcast, gross day, but at least it's better than what it was last night. So at least now he could see what he's doing and stuff. So now this is gonna be day 2 of getting things on the house and just like lights. We haven't done inside just yet. We're gonna do that probably tomorrow. So this is probably gonna be like a 3-4 day affair of just doing a little bit each day. Also, we realized that we need a couple more strands of lights to finally finish it for today. So we're gonna have to go to the store tonight and then tomorrow get back at it and do a little bit more. But stay tuned, I'll show you guys what the house looks like now. And yep, my husband is, of course, or my fiance, whatever you want to call him, we postponed the wedding, blah, blah, blah. If you want to hear about that, go to some of my other videos. But regardless, he is on the roof now, so I'm gonna show you guys that. Yeah, and here's my little monkey scaring the living crap out of me.
Wow! Wow, that's beautiful.
What about this little bed?
And slide, we're going to put here, maybe? Oh, yeah. And snow. And the wreath right up there. Yeah, the icicles. Oh, we could like snowflake. We'll put another wreath there. It's the garage door, but it came off. Oh, it came off? Yeah, fell off. Oh, when you open the door.
Alright guys, so this is day 3 of Christmas extravaganza. As you can already see, some of our indoor Christmas decorations are up. Yesterday we did those. It was super fun. Just Camille and I, we put on some Michael Bublé on the TV and just kind of decorated a little bit. We still have a little bit of last minute touches on the indoors as well as outdoors today. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to film a little bit of that and then I'm going to show you guys the final last touches.